So first things first, let's start with the leaves. So what I've got here is some wafer paper. It's got a smooth side and it's got a bumpy side. So for this we want to work on the smooth side, and you want to place your cutter or your template on that smooth side, okay? And we're going to trace around this. We can use a pencil to trace around. So all I have to do is just trace around here lightly. All the way around. Did I get it? Well, you can't see it real well, but it is there. Let's try this. It's a very light pencil. So let's see if we can get it to show up a little bit more. You can kind of see it. You can see the outlines there. Okay, to cut them out, take a small pair of scissors, and I'm just going to cut the leaf just to show you how I cut this leaf. I did it a little different than I did for the oak leaf. I just cut inside the line. For the maple leaf, I went around inside the line, but I actually made like a zigzaggy kind of motion. So I went like in and out and in and out and in and out. And notice I'm mostly moving the paper and then out and in and out, making sure I'm staying inside that pencil line, because I don't want to get the pencil line, you know, leave it on my leaf, my finished leaf. I don't want to see it. But the idea of this is so you can get that serrated edge. And there's nothing really to follow, just every leaf is different. And, you know, just sat one day and was watching TV. I think I made about 20 of these leaves. You know, different ones. Made like 8 of each kind or something like that. And if you have a maple leaf cutter with all these serrated edges and you feel like tracing it and cutting it out, by all means, look it up. Because that works too. You can even pull a, you know, coloring book picture of leaves and, you know, cut those out and trace them onto your paper with a template. You can use a real leaf and trace it. Okay? But yeah, that was just, you know, just a template. Trace around and then cut it. So I did it. Okay?